Good morning, YouTube. What are we waking up to this morning? Let's take a look. Rainy day. Oh yeah. Cold, rainy morning. So what to do on a rainy day? That's a good question. I'm going to start with some hot chocolate. Wake up. Woo-wee! Good stuff right there. Well, I guess let's go see what we can get into today. Want to go play in the rain? Let's go play in the rain. Alright, well, I started out to go play in the rain and didn't quite work out that well. Seems I've got an antifreeze leak. I'm leaking coolant. So, you know, it's a used van. I knew things were going to come up, and that's okay. I'll get them fixed as they do, one at a time. So I stopped and I saw smoke coming out from under the hood. So I pulled over and I took a video, and I'll play it for you in just a minute. I'll play the video. And realized it was coolant. So I poured a gallon of coolant in it, and of course it went through it pretty quick. So I've either got a busted pipe. I hope it's not a water pump. I don't think it's, I don't know. I'm praying it's nothing major, but like I said, it's a used van, and I hope I didn't get shafted here. But anyway, we'll take care of it. It's not going to dampen my plans. I'm still going to keep bringing you good videos and stuff like that. Today I wanted to be a little bit different. I wanted to take you around to the lake and show you the rainy day lake scenes, but yeah, I had to come on back to camp. I got a beautiful camp. I showed you. You saw it earlier. Or you're going to see it earlier. Anyway, it's a beautiful camp and beautiful lake scene. So I'm just going to do some troubleshooting and see if I can find out what the problem is. And hopefully it's not anything too serious and that I can fix it pretty quick. I was planning on a trip going up North Georgia this weekend. Don't know if that's going to happen or not. Depends on if I can figure out what the problem is and get it fixed. And I'm not really mechanically inclined too much, but I know people who are and that are willing to help me out. So anyway, I used my setup for the first time this morning. You saw that, making my hot chocolate, and it worked out great. This is my little single burner with the little propane tank on there, and my little tea kettle. Isn't it cool? I loved it. Yeah, it worked out great. I can see that's going to come in handy. I'm going to be using that a lot in the near future. And I've got my Mr. Heater going down here. It's keeping me nice and toasty. It started out at like 52 degrees, I think. And now I'm up to like, let's see, close to 60, I think. So, yeah, it's doing the job. It's doing the job. It feels pretty comfortable in here right now. And about ready to take my jacket off. But I'm about to get out and go do some troubleshooting and see if I can find out where this antifreeze is leaking out at. It's been an okay day though. Like I said, it's been a beautiful camp, but rainy and misty all day. And I took off down the road, and then the smoke comes up, and you know the rest. So anyway, I'm going to play the videos for you, and of the engine there as it was steaming away, and let you see exactly what I'm dealing with, and I'm going to troubleshoot it, and I'll be back real soon with another video, and I'm hoping I can make the trip this weekend, depending on if I can get it fixed, but we'll see. And but like I said, it's not going to dampen my plans. Things are going to go wrong. Things are going to pop up. You just got to roll with it. I mean, that's what this life is all about. You just got to roll with it, figure it out, fix what you can, and put a Band-Aid on the rest. Whatever you got to do to get down the road. So, yeah, anyway, guys, thanks for coming along with me today. And if you like this video, hit subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And until next time, stay safe and love one another.